also rise to speak in favour of the bill on behalf of the Greens. The Greens know that prevention is better than cure, and not to mention being cheaper and more cost-effective. We know we must find ways to keep people healthier throughout their lives rather than just treating illnesses once people get sick. Successive reviews, both internationally and in Australia, have recommended that governments reorient their health systems towards primary and preventative health care. I think that is particularly important in the context of the debate that we're having around ramping in our state. We know that when you prevent people from being ill, that also reduces the pressure that our hospital system is under. It's essential to ensure we have a healthy community and to reduce the strain of our emergency departments and hospitals. The health of South Australians can be turned around with the right care and support and interventions early on. Primary health care is crucial to the provision of a responsive, effective and high-quality health system. Indeed, it is better to build a fence at the top of the cliff than to simply have an ambulance waiting at the bottom. And unfortunately, preventative health care has not always received the attention that it deserves in our state, but we do welcome this move by the government, and I do want to acknowledge, as I have often in this place, the leadership of Minister Picton. He is someone who is passionate about preventative health, and I think he has a very strong track record. If you look at the legislation that he has explored during his time as Minister, a very strong track record of trying to move our state further in the prevention space, and we certainly welcome that. The Greens hope that the Preventative Health SA Agency will receive the funding it needs to carry out its essential work. We look forward to reading the strategic plan that Preventative Health SA will release in 2026, and we look forward to seeing the priorities and measures that the agency will identify as keys to improving the health and wellbeing of South Australians. Indeed, for my part, I'll continue to push for action on childhood obesity. Members will be aware I have a bill that I plan to introduce into Parliament in the new year that is currently being drafted that will prevent fast food restaurants from popping up near schools. And I have another bill to prevent junk food being advertised on public assets and within 500 metres of schools. And I intend to continue to advance that in the new year. But for now, it's important to note that the Greens support the passage of this bill. We do hope it leads to a more comprehensive approach to promoting the health of South Australians, and ultimately we hope it leads to a greater focus on primary healthcare services and preventative health, because we know that this will benefit everybody in our community.